Hi and welcome to my tutorial on how to design a book cover in Canva. So this only applies to digital books. If you wanted to get a book cover done or finish the cover that you made in here for print, I suggest finding a designer on websites like Fiverr, for example, who will do it cheap and they can continue your design and turn it into print. But if you're just looking for digital, this is a nice free way to get a book cover designed. The only thing is that you can only sell about, I'm pretty sure it's 1,000 copies. Don't quote me on that, you'll have to read up on it yourself before having to change the book cover for copyright reasons according to Canva. So now I am just showing you how to deconstruct the layers that are on the book cover. So any designs on here, you can switch and change out photos and the elements. So here I'm just showing you how you can change or move around the elements. You can add elements. So here I've added an element. You can actually delete that red and black border as well if you want to. Just click on it and press delete. Okay, so for the photo you can actually change the photo. I believe you do have to delete the original photo first or you can't replace it. So I'll do that in a second. But as you can see, you can send different images and graphics to the back or the front, which is a really cool feature of Canva, and it just makes it look really professional. So I've sent this photo to the back now and I've deleted the original photo. And as you can see, you can stretch it and move things around, which is really convenient. Now, obviously this cover is not amazing, I wouldn't use it, but I'm just using it as an example to show you what you can do. So here I'm adding some more elements, and here I show you how you can send the element behind the writing. So just send backwards, or you can have send to back and that will put it behind the picture as well. So here you can actually change the text as well. You can either pick one out of there or you can go up to the top bar and change the font and the size and the color and all of that. You can even choose to make it italic or underlined. Here I'm just deleting that text that I accidentally inserted into there. Now another cool thing about Canva is you can actually insert backgrounds. So this is another cool effect. You could actually use a background instead of one of these templates and just have that as your cover image and then put some writing over the top. So again, this is a really botchy cover, but it's just an example of what you can do when using Canva. It's a really great, affordable alternative to hiring a cover designer, especially if you're just wanting to go digital and you don't think you'll sell more than 1,000 copies, and even if you do, that can take a while, so you won't have to change it for a while. Like my first book, Two Minds, actually both of my books, two books, Two Minds and Killers Amongst Us, I used Canva. I really enjoyed it, and I had cover designers turn them into print copies and got to make some changes and do some stuff like that, and I still haven't sold 1,000 copies, so I haven't needed to change it yet. I just showed you here too how you can download a PDF version of your book cover, and in another video I will show you how to load said book cover to places like Draft2Digital or Kindle, but I'll save that for another video because I just want to break them up in case some people aren't interested in one or the other. So if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial of Canva, I do actually do another tutorial on how to design a magazine in Canva, and in that video I actually went a lot more in depth into elements and different features of Canva. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one.